Right, let me give you a real quick example of what they're looking for in this section of the book. They're going to give you a situation and they're going to tell you the output, in this case, gasoline consumed. We have a cruise ship traveling at a constant speed and consuming 4,000 gallons of gasoline per hour. And when fully filled, it has a fuel capacity of 330,000 gallons. The dependent variable is the gasoline consumed, and it's a function of the total traveling time. So it's talking about the gasoline consumed. And it says give the least possible input value and the corresponding output value, tell whether the function is linear or nonlinear, and tell whether the function is increasing or decreasing. So let's take a look at what's going on here. You can imagine, there's a nice straight line. You can imagine this situation where x is total traveling time, and it wants to know what is the smallest value that is reasonable for x in this situation. And I would think the smallest value reasonable for x, it has not been traveling at all. Then it says, and the corresponding output value. Now, y is defined as the amount of gasoline consumed. It uses 4,000 gallons of gasoline per hour. So we could see that it has not consumed any gasoline if it has not traveled at this point. So knowing that, I mean, if we had, what do we have traveling time in hours? If we had 1 hour, then we would have this number of 4,000. If we had 2 hours, then we will have consumed a total of 8,000. And then it says sketch the graph. So that table may help you sketch the graph. So Y is going to be gas consumed. X is going to be the time it's been traveling. And you can see that at 0 time, you will have consumed 0 gas. And that as time goes on, you are going to consume more and more gas. That's basically it for this section. Take a look at the problems that are in the book that you've been assigned and let me know if you have any difficulty. Thanks.